2004 Toyota Tacoma Extended Cab SR5, 24,000 original miles, 4x4, in literally like new condition. Sprayed in bed liner, not a flaw on this vehicle. Not a door ding, not a scratch, not a rock chip. All original, no accidents, Carfax certified, 24,000 miles, 4x4. Brand new tires. This is a one of a kind. Has a grill guard. If you think the exterior's nice, wait till you see the interior. The elderly gentleman had seat covers on it the day he bought it new, which we have. Original floor mats, all keys, 4x4, 24,845 miles. Cruise control. (2004) Toyota Tacoma 4x4, 24,000 original miles in like new condition.